Normally that's day.
For together, this one are nice.
You know, today is New Year's, so I decided that I'll come and visit you, know how you are, know how we can help.
Wait. You have a class at that.
You hearing me?
Yes, please go ahead, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
2025, and I decided to come to know how you, first to wish you Happy New Year, to know how you are, know what is happening and everything. You recall that I was here sometime during the election, and I really promised that as long as you're here, as long as you're in IDP camp, Nigeria is in IDP camp, because you're not supposed to be here. I'm sure you want to go home or stay in a better place. And that is the reason why, again, I came to see how you are and know what is happening. I remember asking my sister, how many people are in hospital, working in the clinic here. We have a doctor. We don't have, so it's still not, there's two nurses.
How can come and do work without payment? They cannot come.
Because I remember when you came, you were not being paid, you know. So now we have. So what is the most important thing that is needed here?
Yeah, when you come to the lesser privileged, I think in Nigeria, our priority here first. You know, when you are living in society, health comes first, but here food comes first before any other thing. Food comes first.
So how do you feed?
We feed from good Nigerians as we come now, sir. Because lack of teachers, we created our classroom as a store. So we have where we put clothes, we have where we put food. So whatever comes, because little by little we gather it in one place. We now get to the certain level that can go around the 340 families before we share. This is our meeting ground.
Oh, so it's about 3,000 people, but it's 340 families.
Yes. No.
So you share by family.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So everything is shared by families.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
340 families and everything. Okay. Thank you.
You have children 1,500.
And so in the clinic, there's no. So how many people work in the clinic? Say there are 4.
We are only 4 go to our clinic. One nurse.
I know you're the one who I met that is
I work here like 6 years, 7 years, only me. And
what we're going to do now, by the time I leave today, we will talk about how we'll be paying you and your team small stipend. Eh? Eh? The only thing we can do to get a doctor here is to have a volunteer doctor.
Yes,
because we can't pay the nurse.
Morally.
You know, so it's me now who will negotiate and see how I can start paying the nurses, you know, to help. And I thank the National Commission, I'll mention it to them. I thank them for what they are doing, you know, and we urge them to do more. And I'll make sure that we talk about you to so many other people who can help.
The government is trying, but we are not trying enough.
Don't that's what we want to know. So is it possible to maybe see if the freeze, maybe we'll see the class, we have seen the classroom is there. Do you have teachers?
It's only for now, because most of the classes are free. There's a lack of teachers. Yes, you have a particular
primary 1 to 4 only.
only one
Better and the
Arise Academy.
Aras Academic. It's just 1 to 4. And the rest of the children are not going to school, to be sincerely. Because any government that register one child that go to school. All of the children, we have 1,500 children. But some of the children that are going to school, they not reach 700. And we have the SS1, JSS1, all of them, they are not going to school. Nobody registered them as a first primary 6, so they are just sitting there.
Okay. No vocational training, not training,
Yes.
no training.
Yes. Baba, Daddy, Baba, Baba, Obi, Daddy, Baba,
we have a
National best, national wal, national sana walkiya kaman biyo. Welcome, my daddy. Welcome, my daddy. Welcome, our daddy. Welcome, my daddy. Baba Obi, you are welcome. Welcome, Baba Obi, you are welcome. Welcome, Baba Obi. Welcome, my daddy. Welcome, my daddy. Ayo, mutina da daddy mu. Wayo, daddy. Ayo, mutina da daddy mu. Wayo, daddy. Chigandale, 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 chigandale. Yato, Obi me magani. Yato, lungu ya shiga. Yato, Borno ma ya shiga. Yato, Sokoto ma ya shiga. Yato, Kano ma ya shiga. Yato, Zamfara ma ya shiga. Yato, IDP ya shiga. Yato, lungu ka shiga. Obi me magani. Obi me magani.
Happy New Year.
So you are here at the IDP camp to wish these residents, what's your biggest message to residents and Nigerians?
Well, the first is that, like I've always said, if these people are in IDP camp, we're all in IDP camp. We need to visit them. We need to know what they are going through. There's IDP camps scattered all over Nigeria, and we're not at war. So we should be able to visit them and know what is happening. You've listened to them say it, the government is doing, is helping them, but they don't do it enough. We have children here, over 1,000 of them. They're not in school. They just have primary 1 to 4. Beyond there, they don't have any school to attend. So what are we trying to do? These are children that should be in school, and are not in school. They have a clinic here. They have 2 or 3 nurses that have been working here without pay. The last time I came, they said they were not being paid. And there's no doctor. No doctor comes to see them. But because nobody will be able to volunteer to come and see them. So I'm only here to continue in my own little way to support them, appeal to other Nigerians, well-meaning Nigerians, and especially we leaders, to be able to come and see the conditions in which Nigerians live, so we can know, as they mentioned here, their priority is food, their priority is care for their children. That's why we're here. And I have to come and do this on a New Year Day, because this is a special day for us to visit those who are less privileged.
How do you feel you can support them in feeding, just like they have mentioned?
Well, in my own little way, I have to give them whatever I have, and continue to do so from time to time. And then for the clinic, I'm going to have a special way I can give them a monthly stipend to encourage those who are working there for free.
The women, they are happy. They said that you are the kind of a leader they want to repair Nigeria. They are happy and they want you to come out. Maybe next time, after the 2023 general election, they wanted you, but you couldn't make it. They want you to come out, maybe 2027. Are you willing to come out?
Well, for me, what is important now is that we look after them. We need to get Nigeria to work now, and then we'll talk about the next election. Purpose of coming here is their care. Next election, when it comes, we'll take it from there. But now, how do we get this solved? These people want to go home. They want to live in a better environment. They want a better care. And that's it.
Sir, today is the 1st of January. What's your bigger message to Nigerians?
Well, that we should be more caring. We need a society of care. I wish the country all the best. It's a country that God blessed. You know, it's a country of plenty. Yet it's a country of scarcity for so many Nigerians. Can we be more loving, more caring about each other?
Okay, today is the first day. Nigeria want to know which party are you right now?
But I'm going to, but remember,
Your current party, sir.
I'm going to make statements about the new year.
Your current party, sir.
Nigeria is our This one is built by the compass. But if you go inside, come and see.
Can I go? Come on. Wait. Can I come on? No, they can come. Camera.
Camera, come on, camera.
You see me?
Yeah.
This is
How are you?
9 family.
Ana gaishe ku.
Ana gaishe ku. Ina kwana aka ce.
How are you? Yeah? You're fine? You're fine? What are you eating? You didn't offer me anything. Don't cry. What are you eating? What is it? Oh, you're crying. Don't cry. Don't cry. So this is their room?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah? Thank you. That's why I came to see you. Eh? Thank you. Mo.
Sir.
You have this thing. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear. I'm coming, sir.
You're not. You didn't offer me. And you're the only one who is saying it's fine. Eh? Thank you. Eh? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Say, hey, leave there. Leave there.
This one is here.
Sorry.
You're eating better food. Mo.
Yes, sir.
Come.
Yana shiga fulawa a kan yan gudun hijira.
Yes, you can eat that.
My daughter has done food.
Karka daga kaura, karka daga.
Where's the arrival? Have you gotten everything? Yes. So we're going to enter and see what it is. This is the cover of the building. This is the building. So we're going to run
Hey, Sheba. Move back, please, move back.
My friend, you don't want to. You don't want to give me food. He doesn't want to give me food. How are you?
Okay.
Just say, let me see what is happening. See where they
Drop your hand. Let's go there. Now I've connected it.
Say that back.
I'm going to give each family 5,000.
Your phone down.
But I'm going to come back.
Hey, drop your phone.
I'm going to be prepared to come back to do more.